Okay guys, so as you can see right now in the screen that link for software development engineer interns. Okay, if you are going to pass out in 2022 and 2023 batch can apply for it. Okay, and required qualifications are bachelor and master degree can apply for it. Okay, and job locations Karnataka. Okay, and Karnataka, Bangalore. Okay, and here you can see. Okay, so let's discuss about required qualifications. Okay, so basic qualifications are currently enrolled in a bachelor or master degrees in computer science, computer engineering or related field at the time of applications. Knowledge of the syntax of language such as Java, C or Pythons. Knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as object oriented design, arithmetic design, data structure, problem solving, and complexity analysis. Okay, and preferred qualifications are previous technical internship in if applicable. Okay, if you have done any internship, experience with distributed multi-thread systems or algorithms and related database, experience in optimizations mathematics such as linear programmings and nonlinear optimizations. Okay, ability to efficiently articulate technical challenges and solutions, adapt at handling ambiguous or undefined problems, as well as ability to think abstractly. Okay, so these are preferred qualifications. Okay, so guys, here you can see basic qualifications we have already discussed. Okay, all those things, and here you can see they have mentions Amazon internship are full times 14 hours week for the consecutive weeks 2 months, with the starting dates between April and May 2022 or 6 month as per university academic frameworks as starting date between January and February 2022. Okay, if this opportunity interested you, applied, come chat and own. So these are not important. Okay, limited. Okay, by applying to these positions, your application will be considered for all locations where we are hiring for in India. Okay, the including but is not limited to Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi and Pune. Okay, so keep in mind. Okay, and you can do check out this description by yourself also, which are not important. Okay, so how to apply for it? Okay guys, so here you can see apply now buttons, just click on it. Okay, after clicking on apply now, you are redirect to apply now page. Here you have to first sign in yourself. Don't have an Amazon account, then create one. Okay, if you already have, then do login and apply for it. Okay, so if you don't have, just click on create new one. Okay, after clicking on new, you are redirect to creating your account. Okay, so create an Amazon.jobs accounts. Okay, so fill your email address, enter a new password. Okay, and fills the same whatever you have filled above. Okay, and click on create accounts. Okay, and okay, so after clicking on your account, you can simply apply for it. Okay, if you face any problem, you can do comments. Okay, you can also join our Telegram channel for more such job updates. Okay, and also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys,